Hi, welcome to Sonny's, the Car Wash Factory. I'm Bob Fox with Car Wash College. Today I want to review the daily, weekly, and monthly preventative maintenance procedures to keep your top brush running smooth and safe. Before we start, make sure to get a copy of the owner's manual, which you can download at sonnysdirect.com. Review all the safety information related to this procedure. Next, gather the tools and supplies you'll need, which are safety glasses, 8-foot ladder, grease gun loaded with marine grease, white lithium grease, or a rag and a towel. Now, let's get started. Today I want to take you through the maintenance on our top brush. On a daily basis, of course, you want to listen to see if you have any air leaks. You also want to check your brush itself for any debris or dirt that gets onto the brush. Lastly, you want to listen for your smooth operation, both on your retract and on your downward motion. We've got Vic here. Vic's going to show us our greasing points on the brush. Our weekly grease points are our rotational ones. Couple of pumps in there on the motor side. Over on the opposite side, he's going to have 2 more bearings. Now on the monthly greasing schedule, we're going to go up on a ladder.
We're going to spray a white lithium grease all over the cylinder rod. All right. While you apply the white lithium, you should retract it. And then wipe it down the excess on the cylinder rod. You should have the same thing on the other side, on the other cylinder.
Now the top brush is a little bit different. We have a UHMW bearing on the top brush that does have a grease fitting in it. Most UHMW bearings throughout the car wash don't have any grease fittings. This one's a little bit different. You need to pump grease into this one on a monthly basis.
Exactly the same thing. 1 or 2 pumps, it will be more than enough.
And you do the same thing on the other side as well.
Yeah, and this is another one. We have another bearing right here at the cylinder rod that it has to be greased every month as well. And wipe it down, excess.
And there you have it. When you're looking to do your maintenance on your top brush, daily, we're checking for air leaks, checking the brush for any dirt or debris, and watching for smooth operation. Weekly, we're greasing our rotational bearings. Monthly, we're greasing our pivotal bearings, and we're also spraying white lithium grease on our cylinders up top. Keeping up with this and all preventative maintenance at the car wash helps eliminate unscheduled downtime and ensure you're delivering a consistent experience that will make raving fans of your customers. Thanks for watching. For more frequently asked car wash maintenance questions, visit us at sonnysdirect.com/FAQ. I hope to see you in the Car Wash College classroom real soon. And as always, good luck and good washing.